Hi guys, it's Don from City Warmth. In 2022, City Warmth condemned 10 boilers that had recently been serviced by another firm, serviced within a couple of months. So how are those 10 boilers so bad that they needed to be replaced? And why wasn't that pulled up on the safety report? It's because the other firm just did a flue gas analysis, similar to this. Checking that the exhaust gases were safe for the boilers to be running. They didn't take the front cover off, they didn't check the inside, they didn't do a gas rate, they didn't do a working pressure, they didn't check the safety features. Please guys, if you're going to spend money on a boiler service, spend the correct money to get it done properly. Had the other firm checked the boiler properly, they would have noticed a massive leak from the heat exchanger. They would have noticed an issue with the pipework getting too hot. They would have noticed the corroded case, but they didn't take the front off. The boiler behind me is no different. 2023, been serviced by a different firm, didn't notice things because they didn't take the front off. City Warmth were called in for a breakdown, sadly had to condemn the boiler, and we're putting a new one in. If you want your boiler serviced properly and you live in the Brighton Hove area, give City Warmth a call today. So this customer's new boiler is up and running. It's a 3-bedroom mid-terrace they've got here, so we've set the flow temperature to 54 degrees and the hot water to 45 degrees, both perfectly fine for having a nice warm house and a really hot shower while saving money on their gas use. With the flow temperature being at 54 degrees, the boiler can condense properly, meaning they're effectively using the same gas twice. Please get your boiler serviced every year. Please get it serviced by someone who'll do it properly, not just the flue gas analysis, the poke and go as we refer to it in the industry. Please have it done properly. I know it will cost more, but get someone who's going to do a proper inspection of your boiler and pay them the going rate. Had this customer got someone in who did a proper boiler service, they may not have had to have forked out on a replacement boiler. Having your boiler serviced properly and every single year could save you money in the long run. If you'd like a member of the team at City Warmth to come and service your boiler, give us a call today.
For more homeowner plumbing and heating tips and energy saving advice, like this video, subscribe and follow us at City Warmth.